nobody's here, so maybe I need to know what site I have because I don't remember. That looks like a shower and bathroom facility. Well, there's my campsite. I am here because I had to drive over to this part of New Hampshire to drop off my daughter at summer camp. So I thought, what a great opportunity to see the Monadnock State Park Campground. And here I am at a little spot in the forest, and I gotta get out of this car and make home for the night. This is site A17. Firing and 2 platforms. And the next campsite that way is up the hill. There's nobody there right now. I see across the little dirt road a restroom of some sort. And the next site away from me is A18. I am super intrigued by this little pond lake I see over there and a little trailhead. I wonder if there's any wildlife around this pond. I found a sign for it. I'm not seeing any remote campsite situation here. Here's where the 2 trails converge, and I'm backtracking. I see a beaver and a heron. I think that's his house right there. I think that clump of debris is his house. It's a giant. No! How am I supposed to count? Taco? Do I hear taco? There's a baby deer. I stopped because I heard an owl. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. Cut through the woods and came out at a playground. This is A14. I guess I'm not doing a big tour at this campground, but it's very simple and straightforward, and there are many sites that look like that where it's just a level space and a fire ring. Just coming in to check out one more campsite. This is A15. 2 platforms, picnic table, fire ring. Here's Gilson Pond, that's kind of where I am, and it shows the Birch Toft Trail to the summit. I am not planning to hike Mount Monadnock on this little trip, but I'd like to see it. I have a feeling that right now it's still in the clouds. I drove 2 miles down the road to find the park store, but it's closed, of course, because it's Sunday at 7:30. The good news is I took a shower and I feel so clean. The bad news is, while I was in the shower, I noticed I have poison ivy rash on both ankles. In my first aid kit, poison ivy cleaner. I also have some cortisone cream. I think different people react differently. In my case, I get this bumpy red rash, which isn't too bad, but if I don't do something about it, it gets worse. Here's the owls again. I slept so peacefully. It was absolutely still and quiet in the night. Every camper should get to experience this level of peacefulness and solitude. It's just so nice, and it makes up for the last couple of trips. I've had some challenges such as rain or loud human sounds coming from everywhere into the campground. So this one is just payback. It is so nice. I was just packing up my sleeping bag and I see the deer. She's right up there. Oh, I hear them, both mama and baby. The first thing I'm going to make this morning is iced coffee. In my Yeti, I usually use the frozen ice block they make. It's good to have ice. So here's what I have for ice. Nice frozen piece of ice. Got the iced coffee. Okay, moment of truth. It's good. Now it is time to cook breakfast. I'm going to try to make pancakes this morning. That's what I'm coming up with. Real maple syrup. Okay, let's just try it. This pancake in there. I'm gonna put the eggs in there. Where's my spork? Somehow I'm supposed to get this into my mouth with a spork, like. I never want to eat with this spork again. That was my best camping meal ever, but now it is time to clean up. Goodbye, Monadnock campsite. It exceeded my expectations. And now I want to go over toward the mountain and check out that headquarters. Across the street is a swimming pond, and there is a big sign for that, but it's also resident parking only. Most people park at their campsite or in the day use parking lot, and then you're invited to go over and swim in the pond if you like. There is a long approach road toward the headquarters. The headquarters is here, and the shortest route to the top is the White Dot Trail. But that would take several hours. Good meeting area. Ranger station, helpers everywhere, and a massive sign. It's a huge sign. Backpack scale. Okay, well that's a really cool visitor center, and the trail looks beautiful. There's a cool breeze blowing. It's absolutely fantastical, but I'm not going. I'm just going a little further. This is like mountain hiking 101. All these signs, when they tell you everything about it and teach you, that's good, because it could take years to learn this stuff. Well, there it is, the beginning of the White Dot Trail.